Hello, my name is Steve Bowler, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at system management. In particular, within system management, we're going to be taking a look at Secure Shell, otherwise known as SSH. We're going to be taking a look at its features and why it is preferred over telnet access. And the main reason why it's used over telnet access is because SSH provides a secure, an encrypted connection to Cisco routers and switches. So what we're going to do here is we're going to set up SSH here on one of our routers. In particular here we're going to be using router 2 as the SSH. We're going to be running SSH on router 2. So we're going to go into router 2 and set it up. And we're just going to be using router 1 to use SSH to get into router 2 here. So let's go ahead and get this configured here. The connection in between router 1 and router 2 is a simple connection. It's using Fast Ethernet 00 over the 10.0.12.0/24 network. Router 1 is going to be the .1. Router 2 is going to be the .0. And we don't need any routing protocols or anything else to get this, to take a look at SSH. We're going to use a very simple network diagram here, easy to follow for you guys, so that if you want, you may implement it, on your routers at home. Okay, router 1 is configured with its IP address of 10.0.12.1. Let's go to router 2 and get it configured. Give it the IP address of 10.0.12.2/24. We'll go ahead and do a no shut, and we should see the connection come up here. We're going to verify we have reachability across this simple path from router 1 to 2, and then we'll go ahead and take a look at SSH. Setting up SSH on router 2. So let's go ahead on router 1 and just try to ping router 2. As you can see, we have access here now. And just a little background on SSH. There's two versions, version 1 and 2. Version 2 is more desirable because it is basically provides you with a more secure, enhanced encryption algorithm. Now we're going to go ahead and take a look here on router 2. Now that we can ping router 2 from router 1, what we're going to do is set up router 2 to be accessed via SSH. And that's the only way we're going to allow other routers, our hosts, our